Deep inside the forest, hidden from the world, something unbelievable was waiting to be discovered.
An abandoned gas station, untouched for decades, slowly being reclaimed by nature.
Rust covered every surface, vines wrapped around the structure, and silence filled the air.
It looked completely forgotten, like time had simply stopped here.
But what if this place could come back to life? The journey begins with a simple decision: to restore everything from scratch.
First, the exploration. Every corner reveals damage, decay, and years of neglect. Broken pumps, collapsed parts, and layers of dirt covering every detail.
Even the old vehicles nearby tell a story of abandonment.
Before anything can be rebuilt, everything must be clean.
Thick dust, rust flakes, and overgrown plants are carefully removed.
Slowly, the original structure begins to reveal itself again.